So Big Blue Button is a plugin we can use inside Moodle for the including records and playback of the session. So basically, whenever you are planning to come to planning for an online session, you need to have something like uh, from here you can create an activity and user get notified around that session. So Big Blue Button is the one, and Gmeet is also one, and there are other things like the Zoom you have, uh, Teams meetings is also there, but today we'll see around Big Blue Buttons. So I have downloaded this one, the latest one. So currently my model is on the 4.3, but I don't see here the version 4.3, so I have downloaded this latest one. So let me try installing this one and see how this works. So under plugins you will find plugin, install plugins, then drag and drop here, install plugins from the zip file. Our higher version of this plugin is already installed. Installation aborted due to failure. So that means in my system the Big Blue Button is already there. So whenever you will be installing the Moodle 4.3, it will be coming with your installation itself. So if it is already there, we'll have to search and enable that thing. Okay, so now, so under Big Blue Button I can see here. So in order to meet your data protection obligations prior to enabling this plugin, you may need to ensure that you have read and accepted this agreement. Okay, so let's see how this agreement and what this agreement says. So it is opening now. Please consult with your own privacy professionals for advice. So the default credentials are for this provided by this is a company name through which you will find this credential. So you can see it is a shared secret given here, and checksum algorithm will be used by default SHA1. In case you want to change, you can change that. So poll interval, the poll interval must be at least 2 seconds. If necessary, you can lower to remote, increasing the intervals. Okay, so this is how recording enable by default, yes. Recording refresh period, yes. These are the checklist. Now start recording from the beginning editable. So there are lots of setting here. Okay, now you see here it is not enabled, so I just click here and check that thing, and now I will come to save changes. Okay, okay, so after searching all through we are not still able to add here. So let's search again the Big Blue Button, and here you can see on top manage activity. So since this is an activity, we'll have to enable this one. So by default it will come up with your current installation, that is Moodle latest one as of now 4.3. So here you can see it is installed as an activity but disable mode. So here I am going to enable this one. Okay, after clicking on this it will be enabled, and here message you can also see. Now coming back to this course and see how you can add this one. So here I am going to add, you can search here for Big Blue. Sorry, I will have to refresh this page because I just enabled that one. Now you can see the Big Blue Button on top here. If you are finding difficulty in searching, you can type here and record will be displayed. Now click on this, my first session, room settings, the information in case you have uh, to write here any welcome note. So welcome to my first session. Wait for moderator in case you want to put. What do participant have wait for a moderator before they can enter the room? If you want to allow anyone can directly start join, then this feature will have to uncheck. Otherwise, if you want to wait for a moderator to join the people, then you'll have to check this one. The session may be recorded. So once you'll check this one, then only you'll be able to record. Now the second thing, recording view, no setting can be edited. Lock settings, disable webcam, disable microphone, disable private settings, disable public chat, disable shared note, hide user list. So these are the things you can set. Role assigned during live session. So all you want user as a, okay, choose from here. Okay, which role will be assigned. Got it? So user, you can see only one. So let it be whatever is coming here by default. Now the session timing, you can put here your time, but in case it is open, let it be common. Module settings, availability on so on page. Yes, so these are all basic that come up with all the activities. Restriction, the same thing. Completion conditions, add requirements, view an activity, yeah, set timer. So these are the steps you can do here. Okay, now the competency you can write. These are all the steps you will find in other activity also. Okay, so let's try save and display. Now the list of recording may not be up to date. Please contact your site administration, or you'll have to manually execute this cron. Okay, so now under this course, currently I see only one participant. Now let me enroll another one here, learner 2 also. Okay, so also let me add admin here. That is the current role currently I am working through as a manager role. Now coming back to the course, and this activity I want to join. Okay, so I am joining this session from here. Okay, at the same point of time I am opening in another tab here. I am logging with admin, and I will impersonate with different user participants, student one, this. Now I am also joining from here. Okay, so here it is showing microphone, say enable, listen only. So these are the settings you can go for. Public chat option is available here. So currently you see only one user is live during this session. So if I log in from this user, wait for a moderator to join, it say. Okay, so for me there is no moderator, so I will here I will come under this and I will uncheck that setting. Okay, so I will let the enter. Now if I refresh this one, you can see now I can join this session. So click on join. Yes, it will be allow webcam, join audio. Yes, now you can see the two users are here. One is this and one is admin. Okay, and currently admin is presenting here. Got it? So in case you want to make a public chat here, you can start chat. Right? Now switch to admin. So it was learner view. So this is admin view. Here on top, you can see the connection status. This is a pointer in case you want to make it something like this. And also you can see here on top, start recording. So from the learner end, that button will be not available, but here under admin I can see that button. Okay, so I will start this recording, and here the timer is running, you can see. Okay, so the learner will also see the message like this session is recording. In case you want, you can cross this one, because this is just a pop-up message will appear and go. If you have to enable this webcam, you can enable that one. Okay, so you can enable that. Got it? So now you can see, after enabling, I can see my screen here. So from admin also you will be able to view that your screen, and the video quality will depends on your the camera quality. That is not an issue here. Okay, so public chat here. Hi friends, welcome to my first. This is the basically the note coming you have written down. Hi all, hope you are enjoying the session. Okay, so this is how. Okay, so admin send message. So you see here the admin name is appearing, and if you come here on the learner side, you will be seeing here through notification what's coming there, and if you check on that, you will find like this. Okay, let's see one more notification. Can we start now? Okay, so here again you will find one more notification, so you can click on that, then you will see this notification back. Got it? Now there is a shared note, you can see. So as a learner I can also say this is my first note comment. Okay, so as a learner you can note this down. Got it? So if you have written down here, and the admin will also see here the same stuffs. Okay, yes, so this one is basically the share note. In case someone is typing, I want to delete someone, I can delete. Okay, admin comment. Got it? So this is how it works. Now you can see, yes, in case I want to edit admin comment, I can do this. Okay, admin comment one. So share, this is share note. So everyone will have ability to edit or do updates in here, no matter irrespective to the roles, whether it is admin or the lower role. So got it? So you know now the public chat, the shared notes, and you see here the participants. Okay, now it can be redo here and share on the share note, public chat, you can save this one. So if you click on save, it will save you the text file. So at the end of class, either you can download that one or make that note as a part of course. Okay, so you can see here some it is given from the big blue button itself, but welcome to my first session was the name of my session. Now same thing, this for the shared note, you can also download this one, and it may be exported as a HTML, plain text, MS Word, PDF file. Okay, so let me try PDF. Yes, it is saving me the PDF file. Got it? So message, notes, and users. Now coming to additional steps here. So at any point of time, I want to enable, disable my camera. That is also a possible thing. Okay. So here the admin has not enabled. In case I want to enable for admin also. Sorry, admin. This one is for the learner. Now coming to admin. So as an admin, I can also enable. It will ask me for the same steps. Okay. So here as an admin, you can see my different camera, and as a student, you can see different camera here. So since I am attending from the same laptop and the same place, that's why you see here the same thing. Okay. But if in case you might be joining from a different person will be joining from different place, so both will have the different screens. So that is not an issue. And you can also see here the slide option. In case you want to draw something here, you'll have always a right to perform things. Okay, as an admin. So whoever will be have the sharing capability can do that. So as a learner, I don't have that capability. Okay, I can make it a full screen in case you need. Same thing here for the admin also. So admin will have the ability to make it a full screen like this. They can increase. Okay, got it. So from here you can make it top. I can only see and that particular person. In case you want to see, this is something like a pin in other sense. You talk if you are using the gym or Gmeet, you see the pin tab. So this is something like the pin. Got it? So the moment you pin in the whole screen, that same thing will appear. Okay, now you can see connection status, my log. You can see this is basically your session name. Whichever name you have added under the course will appear here. Okay, now the full screen application you can see like this. Same here, as an admin, I will have ability to make it full screen. Okay, so this is my full screen view. You can also hide and display this thing. Got it? So you can also make it reset here. Control Z will also be appearing. So most of the normal command will be working here. Okay. So if you have to type something, you can type like this we are using. And if in case you want to draw something and type, then you can also do that. Control Z is working also, but in case you want to use this one. Yeah. So same way we can switch between the slides. And if you have your own presentation, you can also do that. Yeah. Here are the slide options. In case you want to make the color change, you can also do that. A styling color. Okay, so if I made this green, it will appear green. In case the red is required, you can continue with the red options. Got it? So welcome to Big Blue Buttons. Okay, so escape will be working in case you want to escape the full screen, and also you can go from here. In case I have made this one full screen, you can make it from here, exit full screen, or escape command of the keyboard will also be working. Okay, so from here you can also get the list of shortcuts key, alto, pen, presentation in case you have whiteboard. So these are the basic command. You can also go for zoom in, zoom out. In case you want to make it control plus, it will be zooming that particular section whichever is selected. So yeah, basically this one is the share part, so that zoom will be working. Okay, so mouse cursor will be also working for zooming and zoom out thing. So got it. So try this errand and let me see in case you see any challenges. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.